Hi everyone, this is Ashmita, and in today's video we are going to focus on parts of speech interjections. So very rare you have heard about this word interjections, though the other parts of speeches are very common like nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs. These are very common, but what about interjections? Interjection is that kind of a word or phrase which is used to express a feeling or to request or to demand something. Like, for example, wow, that bird is huge. So we are talking about a bird that is huge, and that also in a very in a very excited way. So wow, that bird is huge. Uh-oh, I forgot to get the pencil from my school bag. Okay, so uh-oh means oh no kind of reaction. We are not lost, we just need to go. This way. So these are some of the words like wow, uh-oh, These are some of the words which we can term as interjections. How can we use interjections in sentences? Oh, really? I didn't know that. So, oh, really? That is an interjection. Shoot, I have broken a nail means, oh no, I have broken a nail. Oh boy, I'm tired. So, oh boy is another example of interjections. Ouch, that hurts. Yes, so ouch is again an example of an interjection. Let's talk about some of the types of interjections. Like primary interjections would be the very first type. Let's talk about some examples of primary interjections. Ah, that's disgusting. So that word is an interjection. I think that could work. So that's an interjection. We won the game. Yippee. So yippee is an example of primary interjection. Let's move over to secondary interjections. Secondary interjections examples can be goodness, that was a close one. So goodness is an example of a secondary interjection. Shoot, my fight has been cancelled. So shoot is an example of a secondary interjection. Awesome, do that trick again. So awesome is an example of a secondary interjection. Volitive interjections would be the next type of interjections. Now here, volitive interjections are basically used to make a command or to make a request. Like for example, shh, I can't focus when you are singing. So telling someone to keep quiet. Psst, pass me an eraser. So while giving an exam in an examination hall, we mostly say this to our friends when we need something. Shh, or shh, please pass me an eraser, like this. So that's an example of volitive interjections. Then ahem, please pay attention. So ahem, that's an example of volitive interjection. Next would be emotive interjections. Now emotive interjections are used to express an emotion or to indicate a reaction to something. Like for example, ew, I'm not eating that. So ew is an example of emotive interjection. Other examples can be, yay, I'm so excited to see you. So yay is an example of emotive interjection. Yum, the apple pie is delicious. So yum is an example of emotive interjection. Next is cognitive interjection. Now these interjections are used to express a thought or indicate thought process. Like for example, can you explain it once more? So is an example of cognitive interjection. Other examples can be, wow, I wasn't expecting that. So wow is an example of cognitive interjection. Eureka, I have solved the puzzle. Eureka is an example of cognitive interjections. There are certain greetings and parting words also, like hey, hello, bye, see you soon. So these are some of the words that we normally use for greeting and parting. Normally when we use interjections, we use the exclamatory sign. Hence these words are also called the exclamation words or exclamatory words or interjections. Okay. Then we sometimes use question marks also. So basically exclamatory marks or question marks. Yeah, so that was it for today's video. If you want to follow the parts of speech video series, then you can follow this.